Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fernanda Arniati Putri. I'm from Business Education 2017, Faculty Economy State University of Jakarta. In this video, I would like to present my result essay entitled Analysis the Effect of Celebrity Endorsement and Brand Personality to Purchase Intention Outdoor Product, Brand X in the Society of DKI Jakarta. First of all, thanks to Mr. Nurdin Hidayat MMMSI as my first supervisor, and thanks to Mrs. Rina Parlina MBA as my second supervisor. In this study, the number of respondents obtained and fulfilled criteria of 200 respondents with criteria is people, both men and women who live in DKI Jakarta, know the Eiger brand outdoor product and have purchased Eiger product and have seen Eiger advertisement by public figure Firsa Besari. Respondent data based on domicile. People who live in East Jakarta is the majority of the respondent in this study. Respondent data based on gender. People who dominating in this study were men. Respondent data based on age. The age 20 until 25 years is the predominant value. That is criteria respondent by age dominated by the millennial generation. Respondent data based on education status. People with less education status once dominate in this study is high school. Respondent data based on occupational status. People with occupational status dominate in this study is not working yet. Respondent data based on marital status. People with marital status that dominate in this study are not married. From the result of data processing, it was found that the lowest score, namely 8, and the highest score is 18, with the total score, namely 3,137. Based on the table, it showed that the average score of purchase intention is 15.69, standard deviation of 1.640, and variance amounting to 2.689. From the result of data processing, it was found that the lowest score was 30 and the higher score was 72, with the total score, namely 11,870. Based on the table, it showed that average score is celebrity endorsement was 59.35. Standard deviation is 7.706. And variance amount to 59.394. From the result of data processing, it was found that the lowest score was 45 and the highest score was 90, with the total score is 15,800. Based on the table, it showed that average brand personality score was 79, standard deviation of 6.562, and variance amounting to 43.65. Based on the result of data processing through the SPSS program, the result show that all indicators of purchase intention variable valid, because the resulting factor loading value existing the specified limit value of the factor loading, namely 0.40. Meanwhile, the reliability value of the purchase intention variable is equal to 0.768, which means that the purchase intention variable is reliable. Based on the result of data processing through the SPSS program, it was found that all the celebrity endorsement variable indicator is valid, caused by the value of the resulting loading factor exceeding the limit of the specific loading factor value, namely 0.40, while the reliability value of the variable celebrity endorsement and that is equal to 0.857 on the first dimension and 0.926 on the second dimension, which means that the variable celebrity endorsement is reliable. Based on the result of data processing through the SPSS program, it was found that all variable valid indicators of brand personality variable caused by the value of resulting loading factor exceeding the limit of the specified loading factor value, namely 0.40, while the reliability value of the variable brand personality and that is equal to 0.881 on the first dimension and 0.867 in the dimension second, which means that the brand personality variable is reliable. Based on the table, all variables declared valid because it has a value estimate above 0.5 based on the rules predetermined validity. Based on the table and figures, it is known that the value almost all goodness of fit has not met of the value limit at the cut-off value. This requires that the model be modified according to the output modification indices. Based on the table and figures, it is known that all goodness fit have met the value limit at the cut-off value. This indicates that the model can be continued. Based on the explanation above, it can be explained that there is a positive and significant influence between celebrity endorsement and brand personality. It is known that the relationship between celebrity endorsement and brand personality has a p-value smaller 0.05 of 0.001 and CR value bigger 1.96 of 3.229. This means the celebrity endorsement has a significant effect on the brand personality. It can be conducted that the first hypothesis is accepted. Meanwhile, the amount of direct influence of celebrity endorsement on the brand personality amounting to 0.606 or 60.6%. And then, there is a positive and significant influence between celebrity endorsement and purchase intention. That the relationship between celebrity endorsement and purchase intention has a p-value smaller 0.05 of 0.045 and CR value bigger 1.96 of 2.001. This means that celebrity endorsement has a significant effect on purchase intention. It can be conducted that the second hypothesis is accepted, while the magnitude of the direct influence of celebrity endorsement on purchase intention, it can be conducted that relationship between celebrity endorsement and purchase intention has a positive direct effect of 0.177 or 70.7%. And the last, there is a positive and significant influence between brand personality and purchase intention. It is known that the relationship between brand personality and purchase intention has a p-value smaller 0.045, namely pure data, and CR value bigger 1.96, amounting to 6.80. This means that brand personality has a significant effect on purchase intention. It can be conducted that the third hypothesis is accepted, while the magnitude of the direct influence of brand personality on purchase intention. It can be conducted that the relationship between brand personality and purchase intention has a influence direct positive amounting to 0.777 or 77.7%. There is a positive and significant relationship between celebrity endorsement on the brand personality of Eiger product in the people of DKI Jakarta, which is 60.6%, while the rest is influenced by other variables not examined. There is a positive and significant relationship with celebrity endorsement on the purchase intention to Eiger product in the people of DKI Jakarta, which is 17.7%, while the rest is influenced by other variable not examined. There is a positive and significant relationship with brand personality towards purchase intention of Eiger product in the people of DKI Jakarta, which is 77.7%, while the rest is influenced by other variables not examined. The implication of this research is that Eiger Company is expected to further enhance the role of celebrity endorsement and brand personality to improve purchase intention by paying attention to the indicators that has low score and makes improvement and maintains indicators that already have high score. The Eiger Company carry out activities that can increasing the role of celebrity endorsement and brand personality that is done by the company, so that creates a higher purchase intention for the product of their brand Eiger. So this is my presentation. Thanks for watching and thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.